just gate, internet. Now this is a little bit trickish, but a lot of people are now buying Starlink. So where how many circuits are we on? 9. If you ever got 10 home. 10 the one last one. 10 gate in home. If you ever got 11. Internet circuit. Internet. Okay.
Or solar.
The solar is a source of power.
All right.
Remember the other source of power. Okay, so internet. My boy jacuzzi home. My boy water heater. Circuit benefits will be an okay. I think that's How about TV circuit?
No.
TV circuit. TV. Okay, TV. Remember, socket in Tino. It's part of the first and the TV. Okay, so these are car charging port. Car charging port. Car charging, and yet idea are popular as we speak. But as time currently almost everyone wants to drive electric car, and now they are producing electric cars in mass quantity. So we always have to make a provision for the fencing car charging. What does it? So car charging, we need to make a provision for them. Some houses have elevator. Some structures have elevators. So we need to also make a provision for an elevator. They have a homemade elevators. But basically, these 11 or 12 circuits, those are the total number of circuits that exist in almost all buildings in Ghana. You know what I'm saying? Jacob, are you to say, or I should repeat something? Harry, do you understand, or I should repeat something? What?
Understand.
You understand? Collins, you understand, or I should repeat something? You understand? Are you sure? Okay. Now let's look at how these circuits are built into the building. Circuit way, your building is saying in the building. This is where you have your conduit works done. Then you are coming to do conduit works. You understand?